Hello everyone, today we are finally back online with a small trip report, and this time we made a trip to castles Kokorin and Bezdez, which are not far away from Prague. Kokorin castle is just 63 kilometers away, and then you have to travel 28 kilometers more to this Bezdez castle. And all this might be a great route for a one-day weekend trip, so let's take a look together. First, we are going to start with Hrad Kokorin, and we are going to this Hrad by car, so it is quite famous for its simple look, and main tower is 38 meters high, and whole place looks fine if you judge by its overall condition. It's worth noting that this castle was in list of so-called damned castles, which were forbidden to use by Ferdinand II. Another interesting fact is that castle was built in 1320. It is quite old, but it looks impressive even today, and don't be fooled by relatively small dimensions. It is possible to drive by car there, but I recommend to drop your vehicle on the special parking below and walk towards the castle. Road is paved and goes through beautiful forest, which looks gorgeous in autumn and spring, and of course in the summer you will have at least some shadow. Note that castle entrance is on the opposite side from the tower. It is usually closed in autumn month, but for me it was fine to have a walk around such old building, and you can see its beauty in our video. And one more thing to mention, lakes on the way to that castle. Now let's drive 28 kilometers to Bezdez. Hrad Bezdez is a bit different from the first castle because it is situated on a relatively high hill. Overall height is 606 meters, and such location makes it pop out of the landscape, and it looks beautiful in any time of the year. Funny note is that castle is visible almost from any point if you are flying small aircraft over Czech Republic. Building process started in 1278 and lasted several years. This place is also famous for its being prison for Czech King Václav II and his mother. Road to castle is also quite an adventure. First you enter a small village which lies below the castle, and then you have to walk through the forest. I recommend to wear special shoes so that you will be able to endure big stones on the road. Only trekking shoes will be handy here, and definitely be careful if you happen to walk there in rainy or wet conditions. Such surface slips even in dry weather, so what can I say about wet stones? You can also see on the video a special tank which was used to accumulate the water in the castle. Of course it was rainwater, but for me it is first time I see such thing inside. And this castle is notably bigger than Kokorin, so it might be an interesting contrast to see them both at the same day. There are also various cafes and restaurants below the castle. We visited during COVID times, but I hope you will be able to enjoy them in the future. Keep in mind, several tourist roads also span through this castle, so you might take them if you come here by train. I would say these two spots can be visited throughout whole year, just be careful during wet conditions as I said before, and these boulders will be tricky to climb for sure. But other than that, it is really nice scenery, and I'm sure that you will enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and of course I will be happy to hear your opinion in the comment section below. If you like this video, press the like button, and I will see you in the next video review as usual. Thank you for joining me today, and bye!